With the iMedia, a media having an audio and audio-video network in all over the Maharashtra, Karnataka and Punjab. We are having all type of clients, those who are having the advertisement through our media. The media is giving a benefit to all type of clients, especially for the B2B sectors. But the organization belongs to professionals is also getting a benefit through with the iMedia. So today, I would like to introduce a person who is professional and discovered that professional is also getting a benefit through Vritti iMedia. Mr. Sovani, the CEO of Healthcare Quality Systems, decided to try the new avenue using audio-video media. So let us share his experience. Morning, sir. Sir, I request you to give your information about healthcare services and yourself.
I graduated and post-graduated in Control and Instrumentation Engineering and worked in wide variety of capacities with certain international organizations. Healthcare Quality System provides professional consultancy to hospitals and other healthcare organizations in getting accredited to certain national and international standards. We have been in the field of quality and safety management since last 18 years. Now, while we were endeavoring to provide services to industry, we realized that healthcare sector, which did not have any established practices of quality management, needs to be attended to. Now, I have with me my partner and a team of professionals. The professional team has a number of doctors and some of them are specialists as well as certain management experts. Now, when we accredit any hospital, we address both clinical as well as non-clinical processes. The non-clinical processes are management processes, safety processes, purchase management, maintenance, human resource development. The clinical processes cover completely the areas of assessing, reassessment of patient, surgical services, intensive care, rehabilitation, and other specialty and super specialty services. Now, we have established ourselves in the belt of Pune and Bombay. However, we felt that since accreditation is going to be mandatory to the hospital, we were considering to expand our activities to other parts of the state and also in adjoining states. In the past, we have carried out some isolated assignments at Delhi, at Bangalore, in Hyderabad and also at Chennai. But those were one-off odd things. Now we wanted to know whether there exists enough potential for us to expand our organization so that we can cater to the expanding population of hospitals which is coming in the state.
Why do you decide to choose our media?
Now, this is a good question. Actually, medically, it is not considered ethical to advertise for the health services. Generally, advertisements in the past were guaranteeing certain positive outcome of the treatment, and such kind of advertisements were not allowed by Medical Council of India under Code of Ethical Conduct. But now the advertisements which are being made and are allowed on the capability, performance of the hospital and the infrastructure as well as the qualitative clinical personnel affiliated with the hospital. Advertising was a strict no-no some time back, but now it is going to help hospital gain business. Secondly, society at large do not know what kind of services are available where. So accessibility of a capable medical service delivery, which is a big problem to a common person, the advertisement of this kind will help a common person in a society to reach the right hospital and get the right treatment. Now, for this purpose, the accreditation takes care of the quality of the healthcare delivery and the safety of the patient. And there is nothing wrong in advertising the quality of the healthcare delivery and safety. So therefore, we are venturing into advertising. Earlier, most of the hospitals used to come to us by promotion of our abilities by word of mouth. But this is a limited influence area. We wanted to reach far off places where it is uneconomical for us to put any marketing efforts and physically cover areas which are remote. Now to us, we had number of options to perform marketing activities. Like we could have given advertisements in certain magazines or bulletins of the professional associations, put up hoardings and so on. However, accreditation is a very, very high-end activity. We do not want to reach hospitals which are primary or secondary in nature. We cater to only large hospitals which are 100+ bedded and which are tertiary or super specialty in nature. Now, if you consider that there are 1,000 doctors in a society, only one of them has a hospital. And out of all the hospitals, for every 50 hospitals, you have one hospital which is 100+ bedded. And out of 100+ bedded hospital, tertiary or super specialty hospitals come 1 in 10. So we wanted to reach only those people who own the hospital, operate it very skillfully at higher specialty levels. So our target was to assess how many such type of hospitals are available at the places where we cannot have penetration while working from Pune. So expanding our horizon beyond Mumbai and Pune will entail us to travel to Nagpur, Gondia, Nashik, Solapur, Aurangabad, Kolhapur, and this we wanted to do by proxy, by putting an ad which can inform people to whom to fall back on to get all necessary competent guidance.
Why did you choose the Vritti Eye Media for advertising on highway food malls?
Air connectivity is very poor in Maharashtra. Railway connectivity is also very, very poor. And the routes are such that they take very long time. Now with developed expressways and good quality highways, it is really easier for a doctor to travel from one city onto the other with his car. A doctor may travel for certain clinical purposes or other business purposes, or even on a family excursion. And invariably, after every 2 hours or 3 hours, there is a halt taken for getting a fresh or having some kind of a food or refreshment. Now that is a quality time a doctor spends at a food mall or highway mall, where he spends about 15-20 minutes. Now, if certain things can be presented to him in an audio-visual fashion and give an ID to get back to for further discussion and exchange of information, it will be very useful. So, I can put up hoardings, I can publish advertisements. They will be read once and forgotten. But however, within the 15 minutes you spend time at the mall, you can listen to the ad registers in the mind of the doctor. He has time enough to note down the email ID and the cell number, and when he reaches whatever place he wants to, he can just send an email or give a call on cell phone.
Tell us about the response and overall opinion about the effectiveness of Vritti iMedia.
Now, principally speaking, you might have realized that the advertisement was for not a business to business communication. It was to building a brand. Now this ad will get released at all the food malls on highway, and the ads will run number of times in a day for a number of days in a month. A person not only travels between point A and point B, he also goes to point C, point D, point E. His other colleagues or associates will also keep on traveling. So the moment different people will talk about the same professional service available, which was registered at different places, definitely a brand building takes place. And then people, when it is convenient to them or as per their priority, can establish a channel of communication. That is the purpose with which we selected, and this is a very innovative media as compared to either advertisements or hoardings.
In your opinion, which business can be benefited by advertising through Vritti iMedia at highway food malls?
Now basically my purpose of releasing the first set of ads was to do a test marketing. Whether the hospitals which are super specialty or tertiary care, do they respond even from the remote places? Now I can share with you that the hospitals which I did not imagine, like a place in Washim, I would not go to Akola or a place which is about 100 kilometers away from Akola just to meet some doctor at a hospital. So he has enough inclination to note down my email ID, get back to his hospital, send me an ID wanting more information. Okay, that is one reason. Now from the inquiries which I received in 4 days something like about 6 inquiries. People were very curious in understanding what kind of a help they may require. What is the process of accreditation? There are a wide variety of questions, and by interchanging information on email or on phone, they have come to a conclusion that yes, it is relevant to them and it will help them increase their own revenue by being accredited. So I am now of the opinion that definitely this kind of a advertisement, audiovisual advertisement on food malls or highway malls, can not only help business, but it also can help professionals like me. I want to underline over here the difference between business and profession. What I provide the services are a professional consultancy. I am not on a lookout for a B2B model.
Thank you very much for giving your time, sir.